Sellen is a commercial general contractor here in the Pacific Northwest. We are one of the largest general contractors here in the region. And one of the nice things that we've always appreciated about Sellen is we are based here in Seattle and we only operate in the Puget Sound region. And as a result, we have a very limited scope in terms of where we operate our business. And we're really committed to this region, and that's a really important aspect of kind of who we are as a company.
So at this facility, our job is, or what we do on a daily basis, is supply our job sites. So the job sites will order supplies, materials, and equipment, whether it be metal, steel, or millwork, and then we'll package it up and get it ready and deliver it to a job.
Our customers expect our buildings to be completed on time. Our project teams are working tirelessly to get that done. We're here to support our project teams. We're here to make sure there's no work stoppages from the consumable end of it or even the fabrication part of it. We need to get the equipment out to the project teams so they can keep working.
When we really started getting busy, when the market really exploded, we were getting run over because we were unorganized. We didn't have the consumables that we needed. So it just turned into where you were just delaying the schedules of the jobs.
We decided that we needed to find a partner to help us with managing our supply chain. I think one of the things that was really important for us was sometimes we realized that we've always been a little bit of a do-it-yourselfer type entity and type company. But we do realize that with partnership being one of our main values, that there are other stakeholders out there who can do things better than we can do it. And that only helps us achieve our goals. And so I think that as we reach that point in time where we were recognizing that we weren't the best to source every component of our work, every little piece of material, every piece of equipment that we're using. When we realized that there were other entities out there that could do it better, we recognized that was time to find that partner.
So we brought in like 5 different vendors, and we kind of went over all the details with them on how we wanted to do it. And once we got that done and taken care of, then we selected 2 vendors that we thought would meet our needs, 2 big vendors. One was Fastenal. So we brought them in, we did a trial run, and Fastenal just blew it out of the water.
Fastenal's solutions that they brought to the table synced better with who we are as a company, our values synced up better. And ultimately, I think that because Fastenal was willing to sit down with us and understand what our needs were and craft and tailor solutions that fit our business model, that was incredibly helpful for us in making that decision.
As we've implemented the Fastenal Onsite program here at Sellen, it really allowed them to meet some of their KPIs. And so some of that was really getting control of that consumable inventory. We manage it, we maintain it. They have full inventory turns, and now they really have value within an inventory where they know the asset, they know the turns that they get from that asset. We've identified a lot of the support services like ladder inspections and hoist repair and all that stuff that just takes a lot of time and effort to manage, that we've been able to manage seamlessly, yielding more time for the job site to focus on building, which is a term that I've heard a lot around here, and the rental yard focus on the rental business.
The on-site solution was a good fit for us. It helped us reduce our overhead, around 80 man-hours a week. It helped us reduce our invoicing costs over $100,000 a year. And it's value added for our project teams and our clients.
When we think about being able to deliver a quality product, it's about being able to set people up for success. And when you think about setting people up for success, being able to manage our supply chain in partnership with Fastenal has really enabled us to deliver that quality at every single point along the job. It takes one more variable out of the equation. It really helps us to make sure that quality at the end of the day is there, because they're focused now on putting the work in place and not so much where that piece of material is coming from or where that piece of equipment is going to come from. And they can just focus on the quality installation, which you aggregate that over the course of a project, and that's how we deliver quality projects.
The on-site solution team is now part of the Sellen team. They help us get everything done that we need to do every day. They are helping us get better at supply chain management. And it's truly value added. The support that they get from their upper management is superb. You cannot ask for anything more than what they give us.
What's really exciting about the Sellen Onsite program is they've really leveraged their supply chain. And by leveraging supply chain, they took a look at items that maybe a vendor might be more successful at managing, like consumables, and leveraging the resources that supplier has within their business model to drive costs out of their business. From not only a reporting, a finance tracking, budgeting standpoint, but to an inventory management standpoint. They've really done a wonderful job of leveraging the resources of Fastenal as they've implemented this program.
When I think about the partnership between Sellen and Fastenal, it really has just taken the best parts of both companies and really allowed us to take the whole idea of supply chain management within the context of the general contracting community and push it forward to a place that it's not been before.